There are 3 safety tips you need to know when a ship sails by, causing a mini tsunami or any tsunami situation. See if you can find 2 of the clues in the footage and see if you can guess where the location is. Stay tuned to the end for that. Get out, get out, get out, Jason. Get out, get out, get out. Go. Go, that's too strong. That's too strong. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. Whoa. Clue number 1. A mini tsunami is coming because of a ship. First, not only does the bridge open, but you hear the siren, and it gives you plenty of time to move out of the way. Second, and that applies really only to a river where there's a bridge. Number 2, when the sea goes out and you start seeing the beach, you have about 5 to 9 seconds to start going to higher ground and get out of the way. It seems calm and it doesn't happen till the ship passes by, but it's coming. And third, don't be where I was, which is in the alcove, because not only does the wave, that tsunami, that tidal wave, come by the first time, but then it hits off the rocks and hits you a second time, so I got knocked over twice. So that's what to avoid. Bonus, somebody got it, and I'll post it in the comments here section, that this was at the Tacony Palmyra Bridge on the New Jersey side looking into Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So good for you for getting that.